This video, I show you how to earn $5 every 16 seconds for typing words, which is one of the easiest way to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn money online for typing words. Start typing words while sipping your favorite coffee and get paid for up to $300 per hour. You just have to make sure that you're doing it right. However, if you don't feel like typing, you can just copy and paste it if you like. Keep on watching as I show you exactly how to do it. Plus, this website's registration is completely free. The very first step is for you to go to this very important site, which is typingtest.com, where you can take a 16 typing test. When you get to this site, click on typing tests and you will be taken to this page where you can check your typing skills. In a minute, type away to join 150 million plus test takers. So you can select 1 to 10 minute test and then select text sentences or words that are extremely crucial. I would like you to log in and select the 1 minute test and medium test option. The best part is you can do this conveniently on your smartphone. As you can see, you can start typing by clicking on start test. Then they have a timer right here for 1 minute and they will measure how fast you type. So for example, if I start typing certain words, the timer will start running and you will show me how fast I type. Now if you go back to the home page, I click on typing course, they will give you a free training to help you type faster. The reason for this is that in this video I will show you a few websites that can make you money by simply typing, and the faster you type, the more money you make. Now I am going to show you this website where you can earn money online by simply typing. So as you can see right here, 1.25 per minute. Now let's head over to an online calculator and let's do the math. So that's 1.25 per second, and if you type for 16 minutes or 1 hour, you can make $75. If you type for 3 hours, you can earn $225, and if you type for 5 hours, you can earn up to $375 for simply typing. As a result, this is truly a once in a lifetime opportunity. This is a very legitimate website that has been trusted by over 1,500 people from various industries all over the world. So this website is called rev.com. Now I want you to head over to their web homepage. As you can see here, transcription is $1.25 per minute. Captions are also charged with $1.25 per minute, and foreign subsidy range from $3 to $7 per minute. It is actually an edge if you from a virgin country. For example, if you are from India and no Indian subtitle is available, you can help them translate the video from English to Hindi or Hindi to English. This is where you can earn a lot of money. So as you can see here, $3 to $7 per minute. Now let's see how much money you can earn. On average, you make roughly $5 per minute, which means you can earn $300 per hour by simply translating videos to foreign subtitles. Now if you're still starting and don't speak foreign language, I would suggest starting with video transcription. I guess $125 per minute is more than enough. So right now, when you scroll down to the bottom most part of this website, you can see here freelancers. When you click it, you will be taken to this page where you can see freelance jobs that have a work scheduler that is extremely adaptable. You can pick and choose among hundreds of jobs and you will get paid roughly on a weekly basis. The best part is you will receive your money on time and in a reliable manner, but real quick. If you guys are enjoying this video in which I have put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. And if you will get 20 likes on this video, I will drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Now let's get back to the video. Now moving on, what's great about this website is that you can do it from your phone or your computer, and they have very flexible work hours and time stable, so you can work at your own place. After that, enter your PayPal account where they can send you the payment. Always have the time to check your email, because they will send you verification detail about your typing speed, because they will sometimes ask you what your typing speed is. This is where typing speed typingtest.com become handy. So in order to know what's your typing speed, is it term of words per minute, you can take a typing test on this website. After typing the test, you will see your results right away. Now all you have to do is take a screenshot of the result and send it to them via email. So this is your typing speed, and you can improve or even double it by joining some typing courses on this website. By doing so, you will have more job opportunity. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to earn free PayPal money by just opening an email, which is one of the best way to make money online.